What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where you guys can tell the excitement in my voice, because today we did not only get one Alfa Romeo but two new Alfa Romeo models that we've been waiting on, that we've been talking about for months, and that we got even though the Geneva Motor Show was canceled and this announcement was supposed to be shown tomorrow. But with the cancellation, we weren't sure when we were going to get these models revealed, but now we got it a day earlier than the original release date. Now these two cars debut as the lightweight sedans with 533 horsepower and only 500 made. Now the GTAm has 2 seats, racing harness, and it's still street legal. The Alfa Romeo GTA is back in a hotter version of the Giulia Quadrifoglio. The GTA stands for Grand Touring Lightened. Now that means that the GTA sheds 221 pounds or 100 kilograms off of the variant in comparison to the existing Quadrifoglio. Now the sedan hits 0 to 62 miles per hour or 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.6 seconds. Now if you want more out of the Giulia GTA, well, the GTAm is with 2 seats, a 6-point racing harness, a roll bar, and still fully street legal. In addition, you also get the Alfa Romeo GTA that packs an updated version of the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 that now produces 533 horsepower rather than the existing 505 horsepower. You also get the new titanium exhaust system with a pair of circular outlets, and they are in the center of the revised rear bumper. Now the GTA's handling is improved by a long shot by widening the front and rear track by 2 inches. Now the broader fenders cover the additional width with new springs, shocks, and bushings that update the suspension as further means to improve the handling. Now the Giulia GTA has carbon components for the hood, roof, front bumper, and fenders. You also get the body that features an active front splitter. Now at the back there's a massive wing on the trunk and a similarly large diffuser. Now the sedan rides on 20-inch wheels with a spoke design that evokes a clover. And the exterior of the GTAm, well, that gets a few special pieces like a sizable front splitter and a carbon fiber wing. Now inside the GTA's cabin, you get Alcantara everywhere, including the dashboard, door panels, pillars, and the center of the seats. Now the GTAm takes things further by using carbon fiber seats and covering that empties the space in the back with Alcantara. It also has the Lexan windows replacing the side and rear glass. Now, only the first 500 people that place an order for the GTA and GTAm will work with an Alfa Romeo brand ambassador that will help the buyer through the vehicle's delivery. And the orders start today. Now, these cars will also come with a Bell helmet and a GTA livery and full racing outfit from Alpine Stars. That includes the suit, gloves, and shoes. The owners will also get to use this gear, of course, from the Alfa Romeo Driving Academy. Now, Alfa's info about the GTA and GTAm only applies to the European market currently. So unfortunately, it's not clear whether the company intends to expand this offer outside of Europe. So with that said, what do you guys think about the new GTA and GTAm? Do you think that Alfa Romeo made the right move here, providing something special geared towards racing for the Alfa Romeo brand, knowing that we were losing a lot of the models, knowing that we were just going to pretty much SUVs besides the Giulia? Is this going to be enough to keep the Alfa enthusiasts right there with the brand and really spark some excitement? Only 500 models being made and really a hardcore racing model of the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Where could you go wrong? But if you guys think that Alfa Romeo should have done something better, definitely let me know down in the comments below. But right now, I'm on board. This is radical. This is awesome. This is risky. This is a big chance they took, and I think it was the right move for Alfa to make. I just need to know if they're going to bring these things to the US market. That's my biggest concern at the moment. But let me know, what do you guys think? What are your concerns? What are your questions? And what are your excitements about the new GTA and GTAm? Now, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on Alfa's new 2-track ready beast. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also do a Patreon subscription or just check out the Ron's Rise merch. You can get a Ron's Rise t-shirt, Ron's Rise hoodie, Ron's Rise stickers, anything Ron's Rise. Make sure you check that out, or just follow the social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, everything I post there that doesn't always make it to the channel. And with that said, subscribe, click that notification bell so you get these videos straight to your inbox, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.